In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Oreo balls. So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to have to take your Ziploc bag and fill it up with the Oreos. Then once you've secured that, then it's time to start crushing them. I used a glass, but rolling pins work great as well. Then you're going to empty the contents into a mixing bowl, and you're either going to need a stand mixer or a handheld one, but both work great. Next, you're going to start adding your cream cheese, and I like to add it in increments just because it's a lot easier to handle, and that way everything gets fully spread throughout all of the mixture. Then I just go in and push it in just to make sure that everything is being included. And then it's time to get out your pan, and I just like to take some aluminum foil and line it, because not only will it not stick to the pan, but then it's much easier when you're cleaning up after you're done baking. Then you're going to take your mixture and you're going to start rolling it into balls. I personally don't mind if they're different sizes because I think it adds a little bit of character. But if you are really detail oriented and you want them all to be the same size, then I would suggest using a measuring cup or measuring spoon just to make sure that you're picking up the same amount of Oreo mixture each time. Then you're basically just going to keep lining them until you have the whole thing full, and then it's time to put it into the refrigerator. You're basically going to leave it in there for 45 minutes and then take it out, and then it's time to start covering your Oreo balls with chocolate. So I just bought baking chocolate, so you just follow the instructions that are on it. Each one's a little bit different. Then you're going to pop your Oreo balls into the chocolate, and I just like to swirl it around and make sure that the full Oreo ball is covered. But there definitely are ways to be a little more precise with this. You could use a toothpick or something, but I think this is super easy, and that's it. So, happy baking!